Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. This is me, TAPASH Kumar Pradhan, a student of the political science, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. So, guys, as you know that we are in a series of the continuation of the solving the paper or the question practice. So, in this session, I am going to discuss with you the few of important questions from your exam point of view, and also the analysis of it. Before moving that questions, so in your last video, which is basically recently I make a video, that in that I tell to you that in the question number like this, who among the following is an advocate of idealist theory of international politics? So guys, in idealist theory of international politics, the answer should be our Mary Jean Antonio Caritat Condors. Yes guys, you can remember those Condors. Okay, but rest of the thing other like renewable neighbor, wrote a book Moral Man Immoral Society, uh, then Martin Witt, Queen's Reed, they are all the realist scholar. And as I said that guys, the Martin Witt, okay, Martin Witt, one of the famous scholar, and who basically famous for his concept of the international relation three tradition, okay. And Queen's Reed gave the concept of your what, the study of war. Okay, so this is how you can easily basically crack this question, because they all three are the realist scholar and one is the idealist scholar. So this is how you can crack this question. Then guys, which one of the following is a considered the first noted realist of 20th century? It is the Nicholas Spikeman, and Nicholas Spikeman known as the godfather of containment, and the father of who coined the term containment, it is the George Kennan. Okay, George Kennan coined the term containment, and Truman Doctrine also relation related to the containment. Okay, so Nicholas Spikeman, the first noted realist of the 20th century. So this is how the two question we basically left, and for the its explanation you can see my note. So here basically the two concept like so Martin Witt, okay, Martin Witt wrote a book, the International Theory Three Traditions. How many tradition? Three tradition, international theory, three tradition, and these tradition are like realisms, rationalism, and revolutions. So you can remember this thing like tripolar, okay. So this is how realism, rationalisms, and revolutionism, okay, the three are is depicted here by the Martin Witt in his book the international basically relation theory, okay, international relation theory, three tradition wrote by the Martin Witt, and he talk about realisms, talk about rationalisms, okay, based on the logic, realism that based on the state is the important factor, revolutionisms. So this is how the three are, or the international relation theory, the three tradition concept given by Martin Witt. Then I will switch to you the another concept of our discussion of the today, that they asked the question already in your examination as I discussed with you. So you can see here, this is the question of UGCNet paper, so 2015. So like international relation theory three tradition, so it is a book of the Martin Witt. So A4, so this is how the answer you can easily get. So this is how the thing is answer our, okay, one option it easily crack this thing. So international relation theory, the three tradition wrote by Martin Witt, you can easily attend this question help of these things. So this is how the this way to basically practice or analyzing the paper, okay. Then there are the important concept or the thinker are there, so which you should discuss. So moving forward, next question in front of you, which analytical tools have been employed by F. W. Ulrich to explain the his administrative theory? Okay, ecological approach, ecological structural approach, or real method building, ecological approach, parochial structural approach, ecological approach, patriarchal structural, ecological approach, structural approach, and ideal model modes building. No, So ecological approach, the basically structural, functional and real method, not the ideal modes. Okay, so this is how our answer should be A. Okay, so this is how our answer should be A, that ecological approach and ecological, structural, functional and real method mode building, not the ideal modes of building. Okay, real method. So you can cross check this thing also, A and the D. So real method or the ideal modes of building, because it's the analytical tools, and analytical tools by Epidolrix is a behavioral scholar, and he is not considered as ideal model but real model method building. Okay, then next question in front of you, that where was the birthplace of scientific management of F. Taylor? So F. Taylor, the birthplace what? Marie Fuel Company or New York Oil Company or the Medieval Steel Company or Lawrence Finance Company? What will be the answer of it? The scientific management of F. Taylor birthplace. So it is a homework for you. Definitely you have to provide answer in comment section if you know, and you can also search. Okay. The next question in front of you, who wrote the book General and Industrial Management, Industrial Administration? It is one of the easy questions of this paper. Okay, General and Industrial Administration book written by Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol also gave the concept POCCO, POCO. Henry Fayol also gave the concept 14-point principle. Okay, and he famous for the concept of unity of the command. Yes guys, famous for the concept of the unity of the command. So this is how 14-point principle and POCO concept given by the basically Henry Fayol. So what does it by POCO? So planning, okay, organizing, okay, commanding, okay, coordinating, okay, then coordinating. So then you are basically what? So planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, then you are what? The controlling. Okay, so planning, P for planning, O for organizing, C for commanding, C for coordinating and CO for the controlling. So this is how the POCO concept given by your Henry Fayol. Which administration thinker had received a Nobel Prize in 1978? Can anyone tell me? So it is the Herbert Simons. Herbert Simon basically got a Nobel Prize due to the his book The Administrative Behavior, a study of decision making process. Okay, so a study of decision making process is written in the 1975, and for that he got a Nobel Prize 1978. Herbert Simon also famous for his concept of what's the models of man, or we can say that bounded rationality. Bounded rationality. Bounded rationality, and his book Models of Man, he take about bounded rationality. There are the three elements that the individual are take the decision on the basis of circumstance. Then guys, next question in front of you, human problem and of an industrial civilization, the laid the foundation of what? Human problem of an industrial civilization laid the foundation of what? It is the human relation theory. So human problem, the industrial civilization, the human relation theory, this concept given by Elton Mayo. Okay, Elton Mayo wrote a book, Human Problem, Industrial Civilization, Human Problem in the Political Civilization, Human Problem in the Societal Civilization. So this is how the book written by the Human Relations, Human Problem of Industrial Civilization by Elton Mayo. Okay, so this is how Elton Mayo. Then next question is like, who was the chairperson of your second administrative reform? So second ARC. So your ARC is itself important. Okay, second ARC, who are the basically chairman of it? Now it is the Birappa Moili. Okay, who is the chairperson of it? It is the Birappa Moili, second ARC 2005. Okay, second ARC 2005, basically Birappa Moili. Can anyone tell me who is the chairman of the first ARC? First ARC chairman. Who is the chairman of the first ARC? So you have to tell it in the comment section, and this option is also available in front of you also, you can tell. So it is the who? So the first ARC, the Moraji Desai. Okay, so first ARC chairperson is Moraji Desai. Moraji Desai recommended that there will be a post of the deputy chairpersons, deputy ministers. So that's why he became also deputy ministers. Then let's see the few of important concept which I would like to discuss with all of you. That what is the meaning of just ad bellum? Just ad bellum, that justice before the war. That before the war, what should we need to do for maintain the justice? That just ad bellum. So you can remember that ad bellum. Okay, that means before justice ad bellum. That what need to be add in our scenario for before the war, that is just ad bellum, justice before war. Just in bello, that during the war. Bello means your guys your war. Okay, and just means justice. Ad means what need to be addition here before the war. Okay, just in means that during the time of the war what is need to do. That is the how the concept of just during the war, that just in bello. That is how the concept. Then Nicholas Spikesman is a godfather of containment. It is a founder of the classical realist, and you know very well. Then another concept like Queen Reed. It is a realist scholar, as I said to you, and he wrote a book Study of the War. Don't get confused. Queen Reed and Martin Reed, the different person, and Queen Reed, the one who basically study of war. Martin Reed, who the one talk about the international theory, international relation theory, the three tradition. How many tradition? Three traditions. And we learn from this trick that three are realism, rationalism, revolutionism. Okay, this is how the thing. And Queen Reed, the study of war, talk about the war eliminated through the world organizations. Okay guys, this is all about for today's, and as I said to you, a homework that you have to found that the affordable tailor scientific management is basically take place, birthplace in which. So this is how you have to write down in comment section. So this is all about from my side for today session. I hope you must have enjoyed these classes. Thank you everyone for watching my session. If you like my effort, do subscribe, do press the bell icon, and do share with your friend, because sharing is always caring. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.